Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're actually going to be taking the Arrma Granite and the Corally Triton for their first ever post-lockdown bash. I am going to be going with my friend Tom, who, like I said on the previous video, is a complete noob to all of this. He's never had a hobby grade RC before, so this should be a bit of a laugh. It should be a fun packed day, guys, so let's not waste any time. Let's get the car packed up and get on with the video. I'm actually excited to test these batteries out today as well. They're brand new. Soldered the XT60 connectors onto them last night. They do come with Dean's plugs. This is the Overlander Sport Track 5300 55C, and that is 2S. And we've got the Arrma, I think that's how you pronounce it, Greenhorn, and that's a 4000 milliamp. That's a 3S, that one. So yeah, we'll see how these perform today as well. So unfortunately, whilst I was getting ready to put the trucks into the car, I did notice that one of the shocks was actually leaking and was damaged on the Triton there. So I've had to steal the shocks off the one of my other trucks, the Strada. I've had to steal those. I have ordered a new set straight away. They were actually quite hard to find, the standard springs, the standard shocks for this are actually quite hard to find. That just may be down to a stock shortage at the moment, I'm not sure. I've had to borrow the Strada shocks for this, otherwise, you know, it would have stopped play completely. Okay guys, so we are where we want to be now. I'm here with my mate Tom. We are going to be testing out the Granite on 3S to begin with, and we're going to try the Triton on 2S. Now Tom's never actually used a hobby grade RC before, so it is going to be a first for him. Should be a bit of a laugh. Let's not waste any time. Let's get straight on with it. Tom, say hello, mate.
How you doing?
So this is Tom. Is a good mate of mine. He's never actually used a hobby grade RC before, so it is a first for him as well today. So he's going to be running the Triton to begin with. I'm actually going to be running the Granite, and then we'll probably have a little swap round later on. What do you reckon, Tom?
Definitely.
Sound good, mate? Yes. What gets wetter the more it dries?
Towel, I'd say.
A towel. You know what it is? It's because I've got four-wheel drive. How are we getting on, Tom?
Yeah, not too bad. Enjoying it.
Enjoying it, yeah?
Yeah. A couple of hiccups.
It's all part of the fun.
Let's go.
to be fair, things were going great though, weren't they?
They were.
You know. It's a little bit of a hiccup, that's all. So unfortunately Tom's out the game now. The Triton took a bit of a hit on a lamppost there. It's not a problem, we've still got the Granite, which is just about holding up now. You know, so we'll have a bit more fun with that. We're running on grass to begin with, but it is slightly longer for my sort of liking. The motor was heating up a little bit too much, so we decided to just have a little play around in this empty car park here. It's not a bad surface, you know, it's not too slippery, it's just about right. So yeah, unfortunately, as you see, the Triton is now out. That's going to need repairing, but we are still running the Granite for a little while longer, and I'm tempted to put a 4S pack in it just to have a look and see what it is capable of doing. I know you probably shouldn't, because the ESC is actually rated for 4S, but the actual motor itself isn't. And one of my subscribers actually did remind me of that, and again, that's why I don't want to take too many risks with it, but I may give it a go just to find out how quick this thing actually is. Guys, I've already had a bit of misfortune. So I was going really quick on 3S. It's hit a hedge. The Granite's hit a hedge, and it's popped one of the shocks off, so I'm hoping I can sort it out. Otherwise it's going to be a bit of a early finish today, I'm afraid. Uh-oh, we are broken again. No, okay guys, so what actually happened was one of the screws popped out at the bottom of one of the shocks. It's not an issue, I've got some spares on me, but unfortunately not the right ones for this truck. So I have just found anything in the toolbox to try and make it work, and thankfully it has, so we can continue. Unfortunately, I think that's us done, Tom, isn't it?
Yeah, unfortunately so. It's been good.
It has been good. So we have snapped a drive shaft as well now. It's all part of the fun. So I've got a long shopping list when I get home. Isn't that right? So we are ending the day with a poorly Triton and a poorly Granite. Yeah, boy. Oh well.